how did this video turn into a how I did my makeup in high school video? Don't know how it happened, but it definitely happened. Definitely. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced BRATTERSTEIN. Like a Catterstein here, but BRATTERSTEIN. Oh my god. Today's video, as you may have gathered from the title or the thumbnail, is going to be a colorful little makeup tutorial. I thought about possibly filming the outro once the makeup was done, but then I didn't, and now we're here, so. But anyways, last night I saw the movie Total Recall from 1990 for the very first time. I'm only like 29 years behind schedule, but I have seen it, and whilst watching it, I noticed that Melina had some pretty cool makeup, and me and my friend were discussing the idea of me recreating that makeup, and now this is me recreating that makeup. So if you are a fan of colorful makeup tutorials, Total Recall as a movie, Arnold Schwarzenegger, or makeup in general, you should make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would very much appreciate it. I would love to have you here. I think it's a pretty good time, and I think you would enjoy it, so I think you should do it. Now I think we should stop talking about it and just get to doing about it. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see me create this makeup look, just keep on watching. Alright, let me bring you in closer and then we'll get to the putting on of the makeup. Okay, so if you are unfamiliar with the makeup look, I will put it on the screen here. It's like a yellow, it's not really a cut crease, but it definitely is a blunt situation, but I think that had more to do with the makeup styles of the time than a intentional blunt cut crease situation, but it was like a hot yellow into black with hot pink in the crease. Very 80s, which makes sense for the movie, even though it was supposed to take place in the future. Apparently in 2068 or something like that, whenever it was based, I think it's like 2068, we're gonna go back to 80s style, which makes sense since, you know, recycling of styles is a thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So let's start. Let's start. I'm going to start by taking this hot pink from the Juvia's Place Zulu Palette. I just picked this one up, and this is actually my first time using it, so let's hope it works well. I'm going to do a dedicated standalone video on this, I think. Let me know down below if you'd like to see that, but I'm going to use that pink right now. Okay, so this is going to feel super weird. If you looked at the picture, which again I'll put on the screen, the hot pink starts like in the high crease and goes all the way to the brow bone. There's no like separation between brow bone and pink. It's just like pink all the way up to the brow bone, so this is gonna be a little weird, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. So I've dipped into that pink, and then let's just put it on put it all the way up to my brow. Let's do it. Yep, that looks good. That's a good look. So it didn't look like the look she was wearing had a very specific shape in mind. It was just kind of from here to here. I just feel like that was the style of makeup in the time that it was filmed. So I'm gonna go ahead and brighten it up a little bit, but that's pretty much what she had going on. Just like that. Okay, so now that we got both eyes like this, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with black. I don't love putting black eyeshadow on in general, and I'm definitely not gonna love the super blunt placement because it literally is just like half her lid is black, the other half is yellow, so yeah. I will say, for first impressions with this Juvia's Place pink, that blended out perfect. Perfect. It looks like there's a separation there, but I promise you the pink's touching my brow. Okay, so I've taken the black and loaded it up on this little fluffy brush. I'm gonna tap it off and I'm gonna put it on my eyeballs. Wish me luck, because this feels weird. Yep. This actually reminds me quite a bit, at least doing the black like this, of a way that I used to do my makeup in high school when I first got like well, I was into makeup before high school, but this is one of the first looks that I can remember finding and loving. It was black like this, I would use a little sponge applicator and I'd lick it so it was really pigmented and really blunt, and I'd do like a rounded black shape half of my eye and then like a bright silver the other half. And I loved it. It was like this little duo. If I can find it and it still exists, I'll put it on the screen. I think it was like Maybelline. And it was a duo of 2 shades of a silver and a black. And that was the look. That was the look. I thought I was hot shit. I thought I was makeup revolutionary. What? That's not a word. I thought I was revolutionary in the art of makeup just for thinking of that. And I wore it all the time in like 9th grade. This looks so weird. Let's do the other side, make it match, make it symmetrical. Okay, so now that we have those beautiful hot pink and black eyes, I feel very Scene Kid 2003. When were Scene Kids a thing? I don't know. When was I in high school? But that's how I feel. I feel like I would have been all about this look in high school because I was all into like neon and black. That was my thing. Neon black makeup. A lot of like dark black liner, black eyeshadow, and a lot of neon colors, like neon pigments from MAC and shit. From MAC. They're from eBay, so they're probably poison, but this is the kind of thing that I would have been all about. I mean, I don't dislike it now. It just feels weird. All right, because I can't leave it just like this. I am going to take a tiny brush with nothing on it and just sort of blend the edges just so it doesn't look so harsh, but not really because hers wasn't. There, see, just like a little so it doesn't look like I freaking licked my brush and aggressively applied it. I lost a little of the black in the blending, so I'm just packing that on like that. Okay, so now that they're a little bit blended, I'm gonna go in with the yellow. I'm trying to figure out if I want to use this yellow or a different yellow. I'm trying to figure out if I want more of like a pale yellow or like a bright yellow. Wow, first off, look at how totally disgusting I've made this palette. Don't know how I've done it. I just used the crap out of this. So, but if you look at the yellows next to each other, one's just a little more pale and one's got a little more of an orange thing going on. Those are them right there. I feel the lighter one actually. Let's go with the lighter one. Okay, and for that I got it on a nice packing brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just pop that all over the lid. Yep, that's how makeup goes. Sweet. All right, and here's where I am made uncomfortable. So she had black in the waterline on the lower lash line, slightly out, and that was it. This is a very top-heavy look that she wore in the movie, and if you've been here before, you know I love a smoked out lower lash line, so that's going to be a little bit strange, but I'm going to put black in my waterline and not put eyeshadow down there. Yep, let's do that. All right, let's put her in. And that's gonna be hard for you to see it. There we go. Okay, and bring it a little bit lower. Like that, and then kind of smooching it. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to take this brush and just kind of like press on this liner and smoosh it around. Make it smooth. And it connects to the black out there. Yep, and yep. Okay, so now I'm going to put on some mascara and then come back to finish the eye look, because I just want to change one more thing, put on some lips, and finish this off. So give me just a second, I'll be right back. I swear I'll come back. Alright guys, so these are the eyes with mascara on and all the eyeshadow done. What do you think? Are you living for this? Yeah. So for lips, she wore like a corally pink, and I thought that this would be perfect. This is Hard Candy's Alley Cat. It's more of a glossy situation, which was kind of the vibe then, so let's go ahead and put it on. Ooh, it's darker than I thought it was going to be, so I'm gonna rub it in. Oh, that's perfect. That's like perfect. Wow. Alright, now if you wanted to stop here, this would be a pretty authentic recreation of the Melina makeup look from Total Recall. I'm going to add a little bit of something, a little razzle dazzle, make it a little special, a little more me, just because that's what I want to do. But I will stop here and let you see it. This would be the authentic, though brighter, because like my eyeshadows are probably better than what they were using then, makeup look from Melina. Now let's go ahead and jazz it up just such a smidge. Okay, I'm going to start by taking a matte white eyeshadow, and I am going to highlight the inner corner, even though she did not have this on her. I love a matte white lately in the inner corner. Oh my god, look at that. Yes. Whew, that looks so nice. So nice. Maybe I should blend it a bit, or should I leave it unblended like everything else on my eyes? I don't know. I'm gonna blend it a bit. Perfect. Right now I'm going to take, oh, you can't even see it. I'm going to take this little chunky star glitter. I bought this so long ago and I haven't gotten a chance to use it. I'm just going to put one little star right in the center of the white highlight with my glitter glue. Why not, right? I want to do something cute. Let's do it. Now the question is, should I do silver or should I do gold? Silver. Glitter everywhere. Cool. Okay. Alright, so I have my NYX glitter glue here, which is what I'm going to use to stick it. Stick it good. Putting a little glue on the back of my hand. I need very little because I'm doing one star, but I'm trying to be very careful. Now I'm thinking I should do gold. What's gonna pop better? Let's just stick with silver. First, trust your instincts, Brittany. I'm gonna use this old NYX brow pencil to apply the glue because it's, you know, doesn't work anymore and there's nothing in it. So it'll be good to use the plastic. Okay, I'm going to just add a little glue in there. Now I picked up the star on the same little pencil because there was glue on it already, and I'm just going to carefully press that right there and like push it in. Look at her! Look at her! So cute! Oh my god, I'm gonna start doing this every single day. You just wait. If you don't know me, you don't know that I'm dead ass serious. There's literally stars all over my room. What? English is hard. I do my best. If you saw the number of glitter stars on this table right now, you'll be astounded. It's astounding how many little glitter stars can fit in this little container, and how many can fit on my desk. All right, guys, this is the completed look. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. This is the completed Melina inspired makeup look from Total Recall with a little razzle dazzle that I'm obsessed with. If you like this video and you enjoyed it while you were watching it, or you like this tutorial, or you just like Total Recall, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I put out new videos every week and I would love to have you here because it would be fun, because I'm fun and because I assume you're fun. First impression for you is great. I think you're great. I would like to continue to get to know you to see if I still think that later. So make sure to subscribe and come back, obviously. You can follow me on my other social media if you would like. BRATTERSTEIN is for makeup related stuff and FATTERSTEIN is for fitness related stuff, which is another thing I do on this channel that you should follow if you're interested. And with that said, that's going to be the end of this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are still watching videos, you should click on one of these over here because these are links I put up in the past. And if you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much, and I will see you hopefully next time. Bye.